What if one simple sport could transform your body, sharpen your mind, and release all your stress? I'm talking about boxing, not just throwing punches, but rebuilding yourself from the inside out. Stick around, because what happens when you start boxing might just surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthcare, your go-to channel for real fitness journeys and powerful transformations. Today, we're stepping into the ring, not to fight someone else, but to challenge our limits. If you've ever thought boxing is just about power or aggression, think again. It's a full-body experience that rewires your strength, balance, and confidence. Let's dive in. Boxing, more than a fight. Boxing isn't just about punches or speed. It's one of the most complete, high-intensity workouts you can do. Every jab, hook, and slip works your muscles, heart, and lungs all at once. Even if you never step into a real ring, boxing training alone can sculpt your body and sharpen your mind. The double impact, strength plus cardio. What makes boxing special is how it mixes aerobic and anaerobic training. You're building endurance while exploding with power, burning fat, building muscle, and keeping your heart healthy. Jumping rope, shadow boxing, footwork drills, and punching bag routines all raise your heart rate, improve blood flow, and release those good-feel endorphins. It's one of the best natural ways to fight stress and boost mood. Without any pills or machines, your heart becomes stronger. Boxing pushes your cardiovascular system to its limits. Over time, your heart learns to pump blood more efficiently, your lungs expand, and your oxygen levels rise. That means better stamina, not just in the gym, but in everyday life. Climbing stairs, running errands, or chasing your goals suddenly feels easier. Your muscles begin to transform. Forget endless hours of lifting weights. Boxing gives you a full-body workout, from your shoulders and arms to your legs, back, and core. Those fast combinations, defensive slips, and quick footwork build lean muscle while keeping you mobile and flexible. After just a few weeks, you'll feel your body firm up and your confidence with it. Your joints get stronger. Every punch comes from the ground up, through your legs, hips, and shoulders. That chain of motion strengthens your joints naturally. Instead of wearing your body down, boxing helps you build stability and resilience. It's one of the best ways to future-proof your body against stiffness, weakness, and injury. Fat melts away fast. Boxing torches calories like few other sports. In a single hour, you can burn between 400 and 700 calories, depending on intensity. It's not just about sweating, it's about reshaping your metabolism. Your body learns to use energy more efficiently, turning fat into fuel. The result? A leaner, more athletic physique without losing strength. The mental side, focus and calm. Boxing teaches discipline. It's not about rage, it's about control. Every session becomes a moving meditation. You leave your stress on the bag and walk out clear-headed, grounded, and confident. Your brain releases serotonin and dopamine, natural chemicals that lift your mood and fight anxiety. Boxing doesn't just shape your body, it heals your mind. Boxing is more than a sport, it's a transformation. It builds strength, resilience, and a deep sense of self-belief. You don't have to be a fighter to train like one, you just have to start. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Healthcare for more fitness motivation and real-life transformations.